Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this water table we just got for our baby. We got this yesterday and I just put it together and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna show you this thing around and everything that comes with. As you can see right here, this is the size. You can't really tell in the video, so when I get closer you can kind of compare it to my hands. It's pretty big. It's bigger than I thought it would be, which is great. My baby just turned 1 and I know she's gonna love this. It was really easy to put together. I put it together myself, and one thing I was actually very surprised, this is so sturdy and secure. My baby is not gonna be able to take anything apart. So let me show you right here. You have to screw the parts together, which is awesome. So the top right here, this is also you have to screw this part on the bottom as well, and the legs. I'm gonna turn here so you can see. So yeah, everything is secured in place very well. These right here are all the accessories that comes with this little bucket right here, this cup, the little frog and the duck also comes with it. They give you a little fish as well. Right here they have this little waterfall wall, which I think it's pretty cool, and I know my daughter is gonna love it. So you can pour the water right here inside of this big hole, and when it falls down, this thing, will work. But yeah, I love this table and I can't wait to use it with my daughter.